Climb That Tree with Seesaw, Versatile Digital Language Learning Journal. Hello everyone, my name is Bhavya Singh. I am the director and Hindi instructor at Bhasha Sanskriti in California. I am also instructional technology specialist at StarTalk Arabic Hindi Urdu Teachers Training Program at New York University. I would like to welcome you all to my demonstration session, which will help you understand how Seesaw can be used as a tool to build your students' motivation and their target language proficiency in an online language classrooms. At the end of this session, you will be able to integrate Seesaw as a platform to differentiate instructions in the mixed ability classrooms and to leverage Seesaw as a tool for portfolio assessment to monitor language proficiency growth of your students. What is differentiation? In simple terms, it's an approach to instruction that incorporates a variety of strategies that help your learners with their learning experiences. In this image, differentiation is the teacher's response to learners' need. Teachers can differentiate through content, process, product, effect, and learning environment according to students' readiness, interest, and learning profile. According to TEL framework, under the planning domain, criteria 3, the teacher plans lessons that address the unique needs and interests of the students. According to the TEL framework, under the learning tools domain, how do teachers capitalize on a variety of learning tools to advance student learning? By selecting a technology tool that help the learners build their language proficiency. In this case, it's Seesaw. Why Seesaw? Because Seesaw is a central tool in diversifying language instruction to meet learner difference, access authentic target language content, and help the students to create personalized products like video, audiovisual content, which they are able to share from anywhere through its mobile app and communication tools that can be accessed through any devices. It also enables the language learner to personalize their learning experience and scaffold it based on their needs. Seesaw for differentiation in language classroom. Under the learning tool domain, criteria 1, the teacher uses a variety of resources to help students process language in the interpretive mode, which can easily be achieved by using Seesaw's feature of image sharing, video content sharing, annotating, PDF upload, note-taking, and YouTube video uploading. Differentiating process. Under the Learning to domain, criteria 2, the teacher uses a variety of resources to help students produce language in the interpersonal and presentational mode, which can be easily achieved through Seesaw by using its messaging, texting, commenting, blog posting, and voice commenting features. Students also participate in the interpersonal and presentational modes of activities by creating ebooks, participating in the Seesaw class blogs, by creating audio recordings on the Seesaw, by creating images, drawings, chart, tables, and the videos on Seesaw. This is an example of a differentiated learning activity with Seesaw. The differentiated component is content. The students are divided into 3 breakout rooms. In breakout room 1, the students are reading an article and working on their social media post. In breakout 2, they are viewing a video and they are working on their infographic. In breakout room 3, the students are listening on the podcast and creating a podcast summary, which will later be shared by the native speaker community or their grandparents, which finally they will be working on a short film. Differentiating component process. In the breakout room 1, the students are working on the interview. In the breakout room 2, they are working on the class blog. In the breakout room 3, they are working on the report, and later it will be a public service announcement. Differentiating component product. In the breakout room 1, they are creating an infographic. The breakout room 2, they are working on short movie in the role of a dermatologist, and the breakout room 3, they are working on the newspaper article as a journalist. This is an example of students' presentational activity, the final product, where they have used different options available on the Seesaw to create their final presentational activity. Teachers can create the Seesaw account by clicking on I am a teacher and either using their personal email IDs or the Google email IDs. Once they created their account, teachers are allowed to create 10 classes with 2 teachers in each class in the free version of the Seesaw. Or they can import their Google Classroom here on the Seesaw. Once they created their classroom, teachers have the access of updating the classroom setting where they can add the additional teacher or manage the students and their family members. Teachers can send an email to the students in order to have them join the class or share the classroom join-in codes for the students so that they can join the classroom. Teachers can create the classroom activity, or they can pick up the activity that is already there in the Seesaw community pool. Teachers have an access of the Seesaw whiteboard that is well equipped with the text, microphone, camera, link, screen recording, annotation, color coding, and adding the pages on the Seesaw. Finally, teachers can assign skills or attach rubrics to each activity, which later they can assign to a single student or to the entire class. Please join the class that I have created for StarTalk. Thank you.